A bouncy dog with floppy ears
Barks, woof, woof.
for us to hear. He fetches sticks out in the sun and wags his tail when day is done. A gentle cow that says mooey moo grazes meadow grass so green and new. She gives us milk both thick and sweet, pour it in mugs for all to treat. A little pig who loves the mud oinks with joy and gives a thud. She wiggles snout and wiggles tail in puddles deep. She loves to wail. A quacking duck that swims with grace in rippling ponds she finds her place. Her webbed feet paddle to and fro, feathered friend in rowdy row. A proud horse with mane so sleek neighs aloud for friends to seek. She gallops fast across the plain, her thunderous hooves like gentle rain. A huge elephant so calm and wise trumpets loudly to the skies. He flaps his ears and sprays cool rain, then stomps the earth again and again. A sneaky monkey in the trees chats and chatters in the breeze. He swings on branches, bright bananas in hand, king of treetops in jungle land. A roaring lion, proud and grand, ruler of the golden sand. He prowls the plains with mighty roar, majestic king we all adore.